Welcome to Wellness and Mindfulness Digest 2026-0726. Today's 10 stories. Story 1, Benefits of Meditation. Story 2, Columbia Insight Meditation Group. Story 3, Spiritual Yoga Explained. Story 4, Mindfulness-Based Therapy Meta-Analysis. Story 5, Environmental Awe and Well-Being. Story 6, Could Chronic Stress Age the Brain? Story 7, MBSR for High-Stress Careers. Story 8, Mindfulness-Joy Silk-Painting Workshops. Story 9, Brahma Muhurta Calculator and Info. Story 10, 9D Breathwork Experience. Story 1, Benefits of Meditation. This article covers an upcoming 9D Breathwork Experience event in Muhurta, set for July 26, 2026 at Botanica Cuisine. It's produced by Stay Happening and promotes a blend of 9D sound, guided breathwork, and somatic release aimed at emotional healing and nervous system regulation. Key findings include the event's date, location, price of AUD 74.37, and session times at 10 a.m. and 2 p.m. Implications for society include the commercialization of wellness trends and potential shifts in how we approach mental health. Notable data points are the price, event date, and the promotional quote about multidimensional sound. Limitations involve the lack of scientific backing in the advertisement. Overall, this event exemplifies the growing trend in immersive wellness practices, blending technology with age-old techniques, but it also raises questions about the need for evidence in such rapidly evolving fields. Story 2, Columbia Insight Meditation Group. This event details Mindfulness-Joy Silk-Painting Workshops organized by Ultimate Stress Solutions to combat stress and promote peace. In a world with 130 conflicts in 2025 affecting over 170 million refugees, these workshops offer a creative, mindful outlet. The average stress reduction reported is 38%, highlighting their effectiveness. Aimed at refugees and low-income groups, they foster solidarity and reduce personal strain through activities like silk painting and mindfulness exercises. Held on July 26, 2026, in Richmond, England, this event underscores the importance of community-based interventions for mental health, turning creative practices into tools for resilience and joy. Story 3, Spiritual Yoga Explained. This article explains the Brahma Muhurta, a concept from Vedic culture considered the most auspicious time for spiritual activities. It occurs 2 muhurtas before sunrise and lasts about 48 minutes, promoting mindfulness and meditation. The website provides calculators for specific times based on location, allowing users to align their practices with natural rhythms. Notable data includes its association with reduced stress and enhanced spiritual connection, as per traditional beliefs. While not empirically validated, it represents an ancient tool for well-being, emphasizing the timeless pursuit of inner peace and balance. Story 4, Mindfulness-Based Therapy Meta-Analysis. A comprehensive meta-analysis clarifying the inconsistencies in mindfulness-based therapy literature, evaluating its efficacy for mental health. Story 5, Environmental Awe and Well-Being. This article discusses how exposure to natural environments reduces stress through sensory anchoring and reduced threat monitoring, benefiting mental well-being. Story 6, Could Chronic Stress Age the Brain? An exploration of how mindfulness-based stress reduction can counteract chronic stress effects, such as brain aging and improved mental health. Story 7, MBSR for High-Stress Careers. This article explains how science-backed mindfulness practices can be embedded in career training to enhance resilience and performance in high-stress jobs. Story 8, Mindfulness-Joy Silk-Painting Workshops. Community workshops combining mindfulness with creative activities like silk painting to reduce stress and foster joy and empowerment. Story 9, Brahma Muhurta Calculator and Info. Information on Brahma Muhurta, an early morning period for meditation and mindfulness that enhances mental clarity and reduces stress. Story 10, 9D Breathwork Experience. An immersive 9D breathwork journey using sound and guided techniques to regulate the nervous system and promote emotional healing.